I have nearly no battery, but this will be nice.
Oh my God. Have you seen the price? 3 million.
£3 million.
100,000.
Wow.
I think it's made of bronze. Oh look, cowslips. Cowslips.
Yeah.
And these look like there's lots of wild flowers here.
Sheeps.
Looking at camellia tree.
Yeah.
That tree's just coming up.